In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly enter a trade, okay? Be it you are trading to the upside, that is, you are in a buy position, or market is coming back down and you want to take a sell position. So definitely watch this video to the very end. Don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. In this video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to properly enter a trade by following the trend. We all know that for you to take a buy position in the forex market, you must have to trade in line with the uptrend. So market move upward, come back right down, move upward, come back right down, move upward, and come back right down, and make this progressive higher highs in the market. So you want to enter your position when the market is about to move to the upside, maybe from this very area. After the pullback, you take a buy position for market to move upward, and then market retrace again. You take another buy position from here for market to move upward. Then you wait for the market to retrace. You take another buy position for market to move upward. The same thing happens when you want to take a sell position in the forex market. When market is moving to the downside in this progressive movement of forming a lower low, okay, in this very case, market is forming lower low. That means you can confidently take a sell position from this level of resistance, and market move to the downside. You be in profit. After retracement, you take a gain for market to come back to the downside. And when market is ranging within a horizontal boundary, it is not advisable for you to take a trade except you know how to trade the range. Okay, so this is very, very important. So how can you properly enter a trade when the market is moving to the upside or when market is moving to the downside? And that's what I'm going to show you now with the gun box tool. This is very, very important, so pay attention. So in this very case, let's say for example market is moving to the upside. You see that the market move all the way from here to this very point. Let's say market just starts moving to the upside and break this level of important resistance. So market move from this very point right at this area of support and create a new high, then consolidation, and market move up again. How can you begin to take a trade and trail this market to the upside as market begin to move upward? All you need to do is to take your gun box tool and enter within the 0.5 and 0.38 level after retracement. So when retracement come into that very level, that is the best time for you to take a position. And if retracement did not come into that level or retracement go below that level, you're not taking any position. So in this case, market move all the way from this very point upward, and then we see retracement, market move again upward, we see retracement, and market continue. All you need to do is to take your gun box to right here. So, and I will draw from the very low to the high, that is this very length of impulse, from this very point to this very area. So this gives me the maximum length. So when market retrace, I want to see the market enter this level of 0.5 and 0.382. So if you see the market retrace from this very point into this very level with this very spike before market begin to move to the upside. So at this very point is where you're supposed to look for buying the market from, at this very area, because at this very point the market have given you the discount that is required for market to begin to move to the upside. That means the retracement have ended, and from here the market is going to move to the upside. So as you can see, market move from this very point to this very area and create a new high. So since market move all the way from here, break this level, create a new high, we want to take another point where we can enter the next move in the market. So from this very point right at this very area where the market started moving aggressive to the upside, from this very point to the creation of the new high. So from this very area, we take the gun box tool to this very area of resistance, to this very point. The market give us a nice discount to enter the market again to the upside from this very area after retracement. So if you look at it, market retrace into this very level of 0.5 and 0.382. So from this very area is where we want to enter the position. So from this point, market begin to move to the upside again. This is very, very important. So this is where you're supposed to look for your buy opportunity from, for market to move to the upside. And the reason is because market has already retraced and it has given us a discount price for us to enter at this very point for market to move to the upside again. So the next one as well is for you to draw your gun box tool from this very low to this very high to give us the next move to the upside. So if you look at this very point, if you draw from this very point, this very area right here, this very low right here to this very high at this very point, is discover that the markets go below our point of interest. So this our point of interest is this very area of 0.5 and 0.382. So markets move right down from this very point below our point of interest. That means we will not take any position at this very point. Okay, this is very, very important. So for you, this very area is a no trading day for you. This is a nice trading day, and this very point right here as well is a nice trading day. And the reason is because the market give us a little discount for us to buy before the market move to the upside, and the same thing happened at this very area as well. Market move down, give us discount into this very area of 0.5 and 0.382 before the market move to the upside. This very area you are seeing on the price chart right now did not really give us any discount. Okay, market move and go below our 0.5 and 0.382, so therefore will not take a trade at this very point. This is also a sign that market is about to take a U-turn to the downside, and that this price movement to the upside have ended and market will begin to move to the downside. This is very, very important. This very gun box tool will help you get discount prices in the market and help you enter the market at the right time for you to ride massive trend in the market. So this is very important. You can implement this right away in your strategy so that you can get discount price on every trade you want to place in the market. So this is very important. I believe this video is very, very helpful. Don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. If you have not registered with any broker, check the description of you see my recommended broker and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.